Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor Flexbox containers. We will dive into this powerful layout system, which offers a modern and efficient way to build responsive designs. Flexbox containers replace the traditional section and column structure, providing greater flexibility and control over your content. You will learn how to create dynamic layouts that adapt seamlessly across various devices, making your website design process much more streamlined and effective. Get ready to transform your Elementor workflow. To begin using Flexbox, first navigate to your Elementor settings and enable the Flexbox container feature. Once activated, you can simply drag and drop a new container element onto your page. This new container will be your foundation for building dynamic layouts. You will then decide its primary direction, either a row for horizontal arrangement or a column for vertical stacking. This initial setup is crucial for defining how your content will flow. Let's explore the core Flexbox properties that give you immense control. The direction property allows you to arrange items horizontally in a row or vertically in a column. Justify content helps you align items along the main axis, distributing space precisely. Furthermore, align items controls the alignment of elements along the cross-axis, ensuring perfect vertical positioning. Mastering these three properties is fundamental to creating well-structured and visually appealing layouts with ease. Beyond the basics, Elementor Flexbox offers advanced features for even greater design flexibility. The gap property lets you easily add consistent spacing, measured in pixels or percentages, between your elements. Use wrap to ensure items flow onto new lines when the container's width is insufficient, maintaining responsiveness. Finally, grow and shrink properties allow individual items to expand or contract, providing fine-tuned control over their size and behavior across different screen sizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.